it's Miss Erin, and today we are outside. So when you do this activity, you should do it outside, but you can also do it inside. It's just so beautiful out right now, and I wanted to get out to do this experiment. So we have been talking about families and houses all week long. So this is a picture of a house that I drew. It's not my best drawing, but it's a drawing, and this is the word house. Can you guys help me spell house? H-O-U-S-E. What are some features of a house? Features is a big word. Features means some things that you can see on a house. What can you see on a house? Houses have doors, windows, a roof. Some have sidewalks. Some have trees around them. Some have tons of windows. Some houses have 2 doors. There's bedrooms. Some have stairs. There's tons of different things in a house. So today we're going to do a challenge. I challenge you to go outside to grab some materials. So you're gonna come with me and we're gonna grab like sticks and rocks and dirt and grass and all that stuff, and we're going to make a house. All right, let's go. Let's go. You guys can follow me. We're gonna go back to my backyard because we have the wood. Just make sure you're not pulling flowers or leaves or anything like that. You could try and grab the ones that are on the floor. So I'm looking around and I'm using my eyes to see if I see anything that I could grab. There's a couple of sticks on the ground here. Oh, there's one stick. You probably shouldn't touch anything without asking our parents first, because you never know if it's poison ivy or something we shouldn't touch. So let's keep looking. I found a bunch of sticks over here. So I could maybe make the shape of the house with this. What else could I use? Maybe I could find some rocks. Here's a leaf. Here's a couple of leaves actually. And then here's some rocks. All right, let's go make our house. So I'm gonna sit on the ground here. Do you wanna just show like this part? And I grabbed some trees, some branches. I found this cool thing. I found some leaves and some rocks. So now I'm gonna try and build a house out of these materials. First, I could probably break this. That looks like a house to me. Maybe I could add some rocks to look like some bushes. Maybe a leaf to look like a tree. And then I'm gonna take the leaf and make it my doors and my windows. So here's my door. Oops, it's a little windy out. Here's my windows. I want a window up here too. And then I'm gonna use this cool thing that I found to kind of go above my door. I found a twig that looks like this, and we're gonna make this the path to my door. So it's like some dirt. So now I challenge you guys to get outside, find some materials, and you can make a house too. You could get super fancy with it, super simple, but you should send a picture, well, take a picture and send it to us on Class Dojo. Have a good day.